Hi guys, it's Moz here, and on the workbench today I have another UGEARS wooden mechanical model to build. As you know, I've been in contact with them and they sent me 4 models to build, and this is the second one that I've going to build. Now this one here is the Steampunk Clock, so hopefully this won't take me too long, because at the moment I'm doing this, it's 11:15 at night and I want to get these done before Christmas, all these, as I've got some other videos to put out there. Anyways, the UGEARS models, Ukrainian company, and they produce these phenomenal, well-engineered, clever wooden kits that are basically laser cut from 3-ply. Inside the kits you probably will get, I think this one's got one, but they come with a little bit of wax here, a little bit of sandpaper just to knock off some edges if you need to, and they're relatively easy to build. The age of this one I believe is 14 plus, and this was manufactured in July, which is the 7th, and self-assembly, and this is the Steampunk Clock, SKU 70093, and in the link in the description I will leave a link to where you can buy these kits. If you buy these kits, I get a little bit of commission to help the channel, so you know, all's fair, love and more. Okay, yeah, built in the Ukraine, and yeah, we're going to build this one tonight. But before we do, obviously I ask the question every time. These my channel thrives on comments and likes, so if you could leave a comment and a like, that would be really appreciated. And if you do like my content, just give the subscribe button a bit of a click, and when you see that bell, click it and select all, and you'll be notified when I release a brand new video. So anyways, let's open up this and have a look what we get inside. There we are. So we get a long list of instructions here, which is as you can see, a long list. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 parts on this one. Bit more of a complex build to the other ones I've done, but it shouldn't be too difficult. You've only got 2 pieces on this one, which seems to be easy enough, and they're all numbered, so you shouldn't make that many mistakes. Also on these you may find some bits overlapping. They do leave a lot of redundancies in this kit, so that if you do break a peg, there's normally one that will replace it, or cog or whatever. Looks like this is all in one, this one. So then I guess I better start the build, and I'll see you on the other side. there's the clock. It does work really nice. You can see it's all clockwork around the back, around the front. You can see everything all moving. It's a little bit hard work to twist it here, but on the back, yeah. It's more of an ornament than an actual clock, right? You've got to move it yourself. But say it's 10 o'clock there, and you go around 60. It goes to 2. Then you've got till 6. But you can adjust, so you can have it 12 to 12 and do 12 for 8 and 12. I've just done it the 6, 10 and 2. But yeah, it's really fabulous looking, isn't it? Look at that. Proper steampunk clock this is. You can see the wax there. But yeah, it's all working absolutely fine. I just can't seem to get it to... Oh, there you go. I've done it now. There. You just click then. So you can then adjust it on the bottom here as well. Or just what I do is just grab the one on the back and twist it away. Fantastic. And there you go. One steampunk clock. It's a bit of fun. It took me 25 minutes to build. And you know, there you go. It's like a little ornament there on your desk or on your workbench, or give it away as a gift even. Now you've built it. Totally up to you. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. Select all to be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below because I do reply. And if you'd like to help the channel financially, you can become a channel member by selecting join. Like the people that I'm showing you on the video now, they're all channel members and they are very well appreciated. And I do post a lot of content just for members on YouTube, not Patreon. I just use YouTube. So if you want to become a member, starting from $1.99 up to, I think it's £8.99 for the bigger ones. And I will be giving out gifts and more shout outs in the future. Anyways, and that's basically it. I've got 4 of these to build. If you want to see the next build that I do, click here. And if you want to see the playlist of these kits, click here.